another adventure, and as you can see, it is pouring down the rain. But we're still gonna do this. We're headed to Windrock Park, hoping for an awesome day. Gonna be a wet one, but it's gonna rock. As the adventure continues, let's get to it. Have arrived here at Windrock. Gonna check everything out and see what the weather has done. Got quite a bit of rain here, it seems like. Saw places where trees had been cut out of the road and such, and not raining at the moment, but knock on wood, we have a good day. Gonna be muddy, slick mud, slick rocks. Good times ahead. Let's get to it. Looks like they got quite a bit of rain here. So much so that we have lost part of the road. That's a big drop. Wow. And over here, awesome waterfall. There's usually just a trickle. We're going to start off our day by heading up to the top of Windrock to get a view of everything. Let's check it out. Tree in the road. We're now getting on Trail 26, also a Jeep Badge of Honor trail here at Windrock. It has a moderate rating of 5, and yeah, it's a blue trail. After all these rain, I'm sure it's, yeah, so far very muddy, so let's get to it. Alright, you're gonna have a drop off driver's side, not much. You're good. You just did it. Nice. Trail 26 is one of our favorite trails here at Windrock. It offers up everything from epic scenery to off-camera moments to just traveling down this creek bed as we're doing now. And as you'll see, you might need to do some spotting along the way, but it is worth the while here at Windrock. If you visit, be sure this is on your list. About to drop on driver's side. Coming down. Alright, go past her some. A little more. Alright. Should get you lined up. You're on the rocks, but of course they're moving some. You still got to drop on your drivers, Major. There you go. You're down on both. Now you just got to bring your tail down. Nice flex. Nice. Try to go driver more. Or passenger. There you go. Woohoo! Nice. Here we are about at the halfway point of Trail 26, and we get a quick lesson on why we prepare for every road trip, why we have everything we need. Just keep watching, you'll see why. Everything doesn't always go according to plan. As you can see, we now have a tire on the ground, and a spare tire put on. Wasn't completely flat, just got some stuff stuck around the rim, so that's the good part. Still just went ahead and changed it out so we can continue on down the trail. One other Jeep came by, asked if we needed help. Coolness of the Jeep community, we said we're good, just changing a tire. So let's get this tire locked down and keep on rolling. Oh, this is so sticky. Now we're getting ready to head down Trail 27. Most people hit 27 past the rock solid picnic area we just went by, and then they hit 26, but we're going to go in reverse just to do it a little differently. Enjoy. sloppy mess. As you can tell, all that rain has made this trail just a sloppy, muddy mess, but we are having an absolute blast. Couldn't have asked for better weather. No more rain, but the leftover fun is just epic. I hope you're enjoying this adventure just as much as us. If so, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's keep this adventure rolling. As a side note for this part, yes, we could have just gone around the tree at the top. There was plenty of space. There was some side-by-sides that came through, that just went around it, but as a help to the trail maintenance and the people of Windrock, we decided, you know, we were going to winch it out of the road, but the people across the way were like, we'll go ahead and do it. So we let them winch it out of the way to allow other people to just drive on through. Well, Gunpowder crew, it was another epic day here at Windrock in Tennessee, and I'm so psyched up I don't even know what I'm saying. If you liked the video, smash that like button. Also consider subscribing to our channel and becoming a part of the Gunpowder crew, and watch all the other content we have on our channel. I'll post some links for you to check out all the other places we go, including all our other trips here to Windrock. So please like, share, subscribe, and as the adventure always continues here on our channel, we'll see you out on the trails.